Hey, what's up? It's your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel. Today I've got a super exciting video for you. I'm going to be running you through a full upper body workout that includes multiple muscle groups in this session. So one of the biggest mistakes that skinny guys make is they literally just train one muscle group per session. Now, this is what I call a bro split, and it's one of the most ineffective ways to build muscle because you're only stimulating one muscle group every time you step in the gym. Here's what you want to do if you want to grow bigger and stronger as a skinny guy. You need to be training multiple muscle groups in every session. So guys ask me, how do I do this? Now today I'm going to show you how you can do this in one session. You can train your chest, shoulders, back, and arms in one session. So you're going to get a huge bang for your buck. You're going to train more muscle groups in one session, and you're going to get more out of your workouts. So without further ado, let's get straight into the workout. But before we do, make sure to subscribe if you're new to this channel. This channel is the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds. So if you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up, looking to gain weight, you've come to the right place. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get all the updates of my upcoming workouts and videos, and make sure to enjoy this video. If you do, give it a like as well. Let's get straight into the workout. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.